Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've got what you need: a Windows 10 PC with Bluetooth hardware and the target device discoverable. First, open Settings, Devices, Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth on. Once done, put the other device into pairing mode so Windows can find it. Then click Add Bluetooth or Other Device and choose Bluetooth. You're starting the pairing handshake now. Stay nearby and accept any pairing codes on the other device to move to the next step. If pairing stalls, you need to fix drivers and services. Open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click your adapter and choose Update Driver, search automatically. Next, press Win+R, run services. MSC, find Bluetooth support service, restart it and set startup type to automatic. Make sure related devices like hands-free and A2DP are enabled under Sound and Devices. If problems persist, run Settings, Update, and Security Troubleshoot Bluetooth to let Windows attempt automated complete pairing by selecting the device in Bluetooth settings and clicking Connect. Accept permissions on both ends. If it fails, remove any previous pairing entries and try again. This clears stale links. For stubborn issues, toggle the adapter off, wait 10 seconds, enable it, and reboot your PC. One key troubleshooting tip: test pairing with a second device. If that succeeds, the original device likely has the problem, not Windows. If both fail, consider reinstalling the Bluetooth driver from the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.